Sandy Češko ranks amongst the most successful business entrepreneurs in Slovenia and is undoubtedly a proven business innovator. He is co-founder of Studio Moderna, the leading direct marketing company in CEE region. He was a member of supervisory boards in numerous companies and member of the First Slovenian Senate. He is a member of the International Advisory Board of the Direct Marketing Association, member of the Clinton Global Initiative, member of the board of Balkan Children and Youth Federation, and governor of the board of AmCham Slovenia. Donald L. Pluskovic is mayor of city of Akron. His most important mission, along with improving education, has been securing and fortifying Akron's economic future. The biomedical corridor holds a key to the city's economic future. For the economy and jobs of the future, Mayor Pluskovic is attracting health-related companies to Akron by using more than 1,200 acres of private and publicly owned land. Citing Akron as one of the most successful cities between the Eastern Seaboard and Chicago, the Brookings Institution calls Akron an economic recovery model for other cities to follow. Sanju Sharma is CEO at Khaled Al Marzouk Group. He is project and development director and business developer. He works in coordination with the World Trade Point Federation as consultant for activities in the Middle East. Special guest of AmCham Business Breakfast is Dr. Greger Milicevic, President of the National Assembly of the Republic of Slovenia. Dr. Greger Milicevic is also leader of the Civic List political party, which is an important party in governmental coalition. In years 2009 to 2011, he participated through foreign consultancies in numerous counseling projects financed by the European Union and donations in the Western Balkans, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Serbia, Macedonia, and Kosovo. He was Minister of Public Administration of the Republic of Slovenia between years 2004 and 2008. Introductory speech will be given by Jeremy C. Glenn, Director of the Millennium Project. Jeremy Glenn co-founded and directs the Millennium Project, a leading global participatory think tank supported by international organizations, governments, corporations and NGOs, which has been producing the internationally recognized State of the Future annual reports for the past 14 years. Saturday Review named him among the most unusually gifted leaders of America for his pioneering work in tropical medicine, future-orientated education, and participatory decision-making systems. He has consulted for governments, corporations, UN organizations, and NGOs. Jeremy Glenn invented the Futures Wheel, a futures assessment technique, futuristic curriculum development, and concepts such as conscious technology, trans institutions, telenations, management by understanding, feminine brain drain, nodes as a management concept for interconnecting global and local views and actions, and definitions on environmental security, collective intelligence, and scenarios.